Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 70 and today I'm going to show you how to stop the workout on this watch. So let's get started. So let's say you have a workout going and you're not sure how to stop it. It's quite simple actually. You simply press the start button to pause the workout and then this menu will appear, and here we have two options connected to the workout stopping. The first one is save, and this stops the workout and saves your progress, and there is also discard option, so it stops the workout but it doesn't save your progress on your watch. So pick the option you like. I recommend to save the progression because later on you can track it in the app and on the watch, but if you think this workout was like bad and you don't want to save it, you can always select the discard option. I made a lap by mistake, so let's wait until it's done. Can you go away? Thank you. So where's the menu? Oh, here it is. So I'm gonna tap on save to stop the workout and save it. Here we can set the effort we provided or we went through during the workout. Of course the screen locks up all the time, so you can do it by swiping on the screen like this, and then you can press the start button to confirm. And how did you feel during the workout? Again, you can select what you want. It will save it. Activity saved. And here we have our progression page, and you can check your stats basically. Also, it will be uploaded to your application. So if you go to your app, you can check your progression there. You can also press the start button to open this menu, and here you can check all stats. You can check the training effect and stuff like that. So you have quite few things you can check for yourself before you close this page basically. And then you can press done. And if you want to check your progression even a bit further, more stats and stuff like that, you go to the phone that is paired with your watch and you open the Garmin Connect application. So let's bring the phone, zoom out the camera like this, and on the phone that is paired with our watch we open the Garmin Connect, and here we have today's activity at the home page, and you can tap on it, and here you have some more stats. I don't have any stats because I didn't do anything actually, but you have overview, you have the time, distance and stuff like that. You have stats, you have laps, you have charts, you have gear, but I had no gear added. So there's quite a lot of stuff right here in the app, so I recommend to check it out. You can also share your workout and stuff like that. So that's about it, I believe. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.